Hi, I'm Aaron, the owner of Brisbane Yamaha, and I just did a YouTube with a 420, 440 and a 530. I came up to the workshop, there's a 490, so I thought you should have a look at one.
Boats, boats, boats! Brisbane Yamaha knows boats.
So, what do we got? We've got a painted 490 Renegade. Now, and the thing is, this one's come in for its second service. It's actually a couple of years old. But that doesn't matter because it's got a couple of things that I wanted to show you. So come down the back here, Dan. It has the offshore well. Now, a lot of people think that an offshore well, you know, and you can see there we've got one of our custom bait boards in there, which fits really good when you've got the offshore well because it gives somewhere to put. And you can see here we've got battery isolation switch. And Dan, shine into here and show how when you're offshore with the offshore well, you can really lock yourself into here. I might even hop up there and show you as Dan does that, because one of the advantages I really like, when it's rocking and rolling out in the ocean, you can see I can lock my legs in. It's actually incredibly stable. Now, I would do an offshore well for that reason. Now, I've never seen, out in the sea conditions, you do not get any water over the back of any Quintrex, let alone a Renegade. Now, you might get some when you put it off the trailer, because you drop it off on a steep ramp, it comes off, it'll probably just go in the splash well. But these offshore well, I love when it's really sloppy and you're a serious bottom basher. I think these are fantastic. The owner of this boat, once again, USB that we put on them all, and he's got himself a touchscreen Garmin 9-inch, beautiful thing, you know, seating position. And what I like is you've got a boat here that's nearly a couple of years old, and I tell you, it's like brand new. Have a look at this bimini. We looked at a couple in the last video, Brisbane Yamaha, only one with a trim shop. They just stay there, they just work, they just last. It's craziness. You know, why you wouldn't buy one of our custom jobbies. USB, charge your phone, put it in your glove box, good rails, good ergonomics. Then put the bow man, other spigot at the front, plenty of storage, and not a lot of other changes because you don't need it in a Renegade because they've got everyone. Now, I'll see you on the water. If you want to know anything about a Renegade, come and see me at Brisbane Yamaha or one of all the salesmen. We've got the full range, probably got two of every Renegade, maybe even more. Now, Dan, zoom back and show them how big this 490 is, because it is the bigger brother of a 460 and it's a lot bigger. And I hope I see you on the water, and I'll give you a wave if you're in one of my boats.